This is the view coming from Dead Horse. We are 126 miles from Dead Horse on the way to Fairbanks. Really amazing view. There are parts of the road which are quite bad, others are okay. They make it more difficult when they spray water on the road in order for not to have the dusty road, and as well I imagine to settle the terrain. Now I'm starting to understand. Probably is that as well. They put water, the water settles the terrain, then the machine comes on top and makes the earth harder. And as you can see, the pictures are really nice.